Hey up cheekies, it's Will and Jordanbikes. Look what I've got for sale. It's absolute belting Fireblade from Honda CBR1000RR. This one's an RR6. It's on a 56 plate, 2006, and it's only done 18,554 miles. Belter of a bike, gorgeous to look at. Goes like the clappers, and it brakes like it too. Also, this one's got the odd cheeky Scorpion exhaust on that, and we'll get to that in a second. You've got the rev counter in the middle, miles per hour on the display there as well. Yeah, cracker of a bike, really nice. Got the seat cowl on there, tail tidy, it's lovely. Anyway, give it a start up. Ooh, mega sound. Reminds me of the good old days before the EU started messing with stuff. Anyway, what an absolute belter of a bike. All you need to do to get it bought, pop down at Jordanbikes, give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.